How to turn off active status on Messenger. So if you want to turn off your activity status on Messenger so that no one will be able to find out whether you're online or not, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're none of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off activity status or active status on Facebook Messenger, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone. Then, once you open the Messenger app, click on the menu icon at the top left. Then go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right. Then on the Facebook Messenger settings page, you want to scroll down, locate privacy and safety and click on that. Then once you selected privacy and safety, you want to scroll down the page a bit. Under what people see, then go ahead and click on active status. Then once you click on active status, to turn off your active status on Facebook Messenger, just disable show when you are active. Then you choose what that says turn off active status. Then go ahead and turn off active status. Once you turn off active status, you won't be able to see when your friends and connections are active, recently active, or in chat with you. So go ahead and click on turn off. Then hang on while show when you're active is turned off, and once that is turned off, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off active status on Facebook Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.